This illustration deals with emergency systems. And notice 230.2A as in Apple 2 would allow additional service for emergency system. But however, the NEC loop will change a little bit in its section numbers recommended to be reviewed. Notice 230.72B as in boy would deal with the number of disconnects that are allowed. You know, we can have up 2 to 6 grouped in any one location. 230.82.5, again, that Atom 5 would allow even a tap ahead of the main where the authority having jurisdiction would permit it. And then notice 230.2A2 recognizes that we could have an additional service to serve as an emergency system in accordance with 700.12D as in dog. Now, the normal service to the left, notice the meter base is addressed in 90.2B5, and usually that's regulated by the utility. 230.66 confirms that it's not considered service equipment. It's a metering means, so the utility would know exactly how many watts and power that a facility used. So a second service for emergency lighting and so forth, egress lighting and this kind of thing, whatever that the emergency system would fall under, and so to speak, feeding certain loads that are listed in 700.2. Now, what I'm trying to point out, an emergency system can be identified and classified by the loads it supplies in 700.2. Then notice that the grounding means of both services are bonded together per 250.58, which would be one grounding electrode system then in accordance with 250.50 in the NEC. But once again, the designer wanting an additional service, such as for emergency systems, must go through the authority having jurisdiction for the state, county, city, whoever has the authority. Then the authority having jurisdiction can work with the designer or the contractor with the utility so that everything is in a systematic order and we would not find any rocks in the road or any bumps that would delay this second service being provided.